Hello and welcome to a new page in my mini envelope art journal. Today I'm playing with Stamplorations products and the little cat is a drawing by me. There is already some paint on my pages. These are leftovers from other projects. I used some Gelli Printed Deli Paper for collaging. I use liquid white watercolor to add some splatters. And I add some black splatters with acrylic ink. Thanks for joining me today. Please give me a thumb up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!